Hello guys, my name is Rapa Bizaputaranda. You can call me Rapa. My number student is 10101382126211.
My name is Ramadhani and my last student number is 064.
So, you've been living in Palembang for a few months now, right? How do you like the city so far?
Honestly, I like it more than I expected. At first, I thought it might be just another busy Indonesian city, but Palembang has its own unique charm. The culture here is so rich, and people are generally warm and welcoming.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Palembang is this blend of old and new. Did you get a chance to visit the Ampera Bridge yet?
Of course, that was one of the first places I went to. It's so iconic, especially love seeing it lit up at night. It gives the city this peaceful and vibrant energy. And the Musi River, it's beautiful. I wasn't expecting such a wide, majestic river cutting through the city like that.
The Musi River is definitely central to life here. You know, a lot of people underestimate how important it is to Palembang identity. You can see boats, floating markets, and even a house built along the water. There's something calming about it.
Absolutely. And speaking of identity, I've fallen in love with Palembang cuisine. And pempek, I could eat that every day. I didn't think I'd like this cake at first, but the texture, the vinegar sauce, cukup, right? It's addictive.
Huh? Welcome to the club. Once you are hot on pempek, there's no going back. Have you tried Take One and Model 2?
I have. I like tekman, especially it's so comforting, kind of like a soup version of pempek. And I went to a local market recently where they were selling all sorts of traditional snacks. The sense of heritage here really come through in the food.
Yeah, food is a big part of the culture here. But how are you adjusting to the weather, be honest?
Oh my god, the heat and humidity, it took some time. I feel like I'm constantly sweating, especially around midday, but I'm getting used to it. Kind of. I've learned to move slower, drink more, and avoid going out between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. if I can.
Smart. That's the unspoken survival rule here don't challenge the sun.
Seriously, but apart from the heat, I've noticed Palembang is not as hectic as cities like Jakarta or Surabaya. It feels a bit more relaxed, like there's traffic, but it's not that crazy. People still wave you through or smile at you on the street. It's refreshing.
Yeah, the pace of life here is definitely more laid back. I think people take more time for family and food. The city might not be as fast-paced economically, but there is a strong sense of community.
I noticed that too. I've been invited into people's homes more times than I can count. They just want you to eat and chat. It feels very sincere. I also like how local traditions are still much alive, like during festivals or weddings.
Totally, you should stick around for the festival Sriwijaya next time. It is a cultural event that celebrates the city historical roots. There are music, dance, and people dress in traditional Sriwijaya attire. It is like stepping into the past.
That sounds amazing. I didn't realize how deeply historical Palembang is. I read that it was once the capital of Sriwijaya Empire.
Yet, a powerful maritime kingdom cultures ago. That story still influence the local part here. People here are very aware their heritage. It is part of what makes Palembang different from other cities.
I respect that. It gives the city a soul, you know. So overall, I say I really like Palembang. It's not perfect. Some infrastructure issues, flooding when it rains too hard, and public transport could be better, but it's real. It's authentic.
That's good way to put it. It is a city with character, not trying to be anything else but it itself. And once you fall into it is it grows on you.
It really does. I don't know how long I'll stay, but for now, I'm enjoying every moment of it.
That's all that matters. Welcome to Palembang Ramadhani. You are on of use now.
Thanks, Rapa. That means a lot.